In this video, we'll be adding and subtracting complex numbers. Our steps for adding and subtracting complex numbers: you want to start by simplifying any radicals. Remember, if you have a negative under a square root, to take the I out. You want to distribute the negative into the second parenthesis if you're subtracting, and then combine any like terms. Terms containing an I can be treated just like terms containing an X. If you have two terms that have an X in it, you can combine them. Same with the I's. So let's add 3 plus 4i plus 4 minus 4i. Since we're adding and we don't have any radicals to simplify, we can just drop our parentheses and combine like terms. I have real numbers that I can combine, and I have imaginary numbers that I can combine. 3 plus 4 is 7, and a positive 4i minus 4i, well, those just cancel out. When we combine, we get an answer of 7. Let's subtract negative 6 minus 5i minus 5 minus 9i. We don't have any radicals to simplify, but I do have a negative that needs to be distributed into my second parenthesis. Same thing we do when we are subtracting polynomials. This is negative 6 minus 5i minus 5 plus 9i. And then we combine like terms. Negative 6 minus 5, negative 11, negative 5i plus 9i plus 4i. And when you're writing this answer, you want to make sure that you're putting it in complex form, a plus bi. You want the real part first and the imaginary part second. In this next example, you'll see that we do have radicals that need to be simplified. That's the very first thing you want to do. The square root of negative 9, the negative underneath tells me I'm going to have an I. 9 is a perfect, so the square root of negative 9 is 3i. Simplifying the square root of negative 25, the negative tells me I'm going to have an I. Square root of 25 is a perfect. This is 5i. So we have 7 minus 3i plus 3 plus 5i. We're adding, so we just drop our parentheses and then combine like terms. Real numbers and imaginary numbers. 7 plus 3 is 10. Negative 3i plus 5i plus 2i.